playing hide and go seek in the tree. And then when she hides, he can't find her. And he comes over to me, and then she comes out of hiding. It's so cute. Look at him run. Get her, Louie! Indy's running from him. Look at, he's looking for her. Now they're going to do search and find. Oh, cute. Oh my God, how cute is this? Find her, Louie! You can find her! Get her! Good job, Louie! Indy knows the game. She just started playing with him. She's hiding, doing hide and seek. Oh, I love it.